So here we are in Khatmandu, Marriot Hotel, and let's see how does our room look like today. Okay, so here we are. Oh wow, nice entrance. And right on the very left, hello, it's a big mirror. It's like a giant size mirror, and on the right side you have this cabinet. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it's got iron board and an iron, and what is that on the top? Oh, it's some extra cabin for your stuff to be kept in. It's a nice touch. And then we have a sliding door. What's inside? Oh, it's usually your wardrobe. You got the shower capes. You got this sleepers like I'm wearing right now. I entered them already. And the hangers. And okay, but we've got a safe here, I think. Let's see. Just close this on and we slide the other one. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we have this. So personalized your safe. You can put in the password, and you can put in your important stuff. And you've got 3 drawers here, quite spacious. And then you got some stuff for the laundry. In case you want to do the laundry, you have the laundry bags. You can ask them to fill up this. You can fill up this receipts. You can tell them what you want them to wash, and they will do the laundry. They pick it up and put back when it is done. And then we got some shoe mitt to clean your shoes. Shoe shine service complimentary. In case you want them to clean the shoes, they can do it for you, which is actually great. First time I'm seeing it in any hotel. And then this spacious little space up there. You can quite easily keep quite a lot of stuff here. I really love the space in these cabinets. Absolutely love it. And now we go to we take 180 turn. Again, this is a mirror. Hello. And we slide the door open towards the washroom. And I have to say, it's a beautiful. I love this this slide which is used for the camera work. So it's a big washroom. Okay, and you see a big giant mirror with the lightings inside. Absolutely love it. Crazy good. On the right you have this washing tub, and what again I'm seeing for the first time is this mirror which you can see outside and see the room, your bed, everything. And of course you have the blinds. You can just pull them down like this way, and it comes down, right? And in case you need to see the view, because the view is gorgeous when I take you there, you can just lift up the blinds and you can have a peek. And of course your wash basins. And another lovely touch is this beautiful box, the washroom box I will call it, is with this Marriott logo. You open this up and you see your toiletries. You have your dental kit, you have your shaving kit, vanity kit, shower cap, your lotions, moisturizers, and your comb, of course. And on the left, say this is the most important area of the room, toilet seat. And there's a standing shower here as well. And then the shower on the top, you can take it like this shower head, or you can use this on the top. Absolutely love it. So this was a quick tour for the washroom. Now let's go to the main entrance. Here we go. So we go there. Here we have on the right a small sitting space. I love this. You can see it's made of marble. Lovely. And then your kettle, your water things. And here's the bed. The layout of the room is very much like the PC hotel in Islamabad. It's very much like the same. You have the entrance, small corridor, toilet on the left, right you get the cabinet, and then you have a bed here on the left side. As soon as you enter, it just opens up, and it's looking lovely. I love this. I love this painting there. I love how the things are neatly placed, and a view to die for. I'm sure the blinds are down right now. We can lift it up for sure. You can have a look of the view. What I will see when I lift up the blinds. That's absolutely stunning. And I'm 7th floor right now, so it's quite high. Absolutely marvelous. So this was a quick tour of the room, and I hope I enjoy my stay here. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.